Math Heuristics. Make a systematic list method. Let's look at an example. Four painters take 6 hours to paint 2 houses. Assuming that each of them work at the same pace, how long does one painter need to paint 5 similar houses? Four painters need 6 hours to paint 2 houses. With the same number of painters, how long is needed to paint just one house? Half the number of houses means just half the amount of time needed. 6 divided by 2 is 3 hours. Four painters need 3 hours to paint one house. If there is only one painter painting that house, this means that 4 times as much time is needed. Do note that the number of hours needed is inversely proportionate to the number of painters. The more painters there are, the faster the job gets done, meaning less time needed. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 3 times 4 equals 12. One painter needs 12 hours to paint one house. To paint 5 houses, 5 times the amount of time is needed. 12 times 5 equals 60 hours. One painter needs 60 hours to paint 5 houses. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you find this video useful, please help to like and share it. Do subscribe to our channel if you have not done so.